Today I'm going to teach you how to add custom dynamic content in a collapsible row in Shopify. This is incredibly useful if you want to display product-specific information that automatically pulls from your product data, making your store more organized and efficient. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and head to shopify.com. Log in to your Shopify account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage, which is your main dashboard for managing your store. Now look over to the left side of your screen and click on Settings. This will open up a menu with various configuration options for your store. From here, you'll be able to access the tools needed to create custom fields for your products. In the Settings menu, locate and click on Meta Fields and Meta Objects on the left side. This section is where you can define custom data fields that will hold the information you want to display dynamically in your store. It's a powerful feature that allows you to store unique details about your products beyond the standard fields Shopify provides. Next, click on Products to access product-specific meta fields. Then click Add Definition to start creating a new custom field. You'll be prompted to input a name for this field, so choose something descriptive that reflects the content you'll be adding, like product details or care instructions. After naming your field, move to the Type section. Here you can choose between single-line text or multi-line text, depending on how much information you plan to include. Single-line text works well for short snippets, while multi-line text is better for longer descriptions or detailed content. Once you've configured your field, click the Save button at the top to store your changes. Then go ahead and close the Settings menu. You've now created a custom dynamic source that you can use throughout your store. Now on the left side of your dashboard, click Online Store. You'll see your current theme displayed. Beside it, click the Edit Theme button to enter the theme editor, where you can customize your store's appearance. At the top of the theme editor, click Homepage, then navigate to Products and select Default Products. This takes you to the product template where you can add and arrange content blocks. On the left side, locate and click Product Information. Then click Add Block and select Collapsible Row from the options. This creates a new expandable section on your product page where customers can click to reveal more information. Here's where the magic happens. In the collapsible row settings, find the row content field and click the coin icon next to it. This icon allows you to connect the row to a dynamic source, meaning the content will automatically pull from your product data instead of being manually entered each time. Click Row Content from Page, then select Template Product. From the list of available dynamic sources, click the one you created earlier. This links your custom meta field to the collapsible row, so any data you enter in that field will automatically display here. Finally, click the Save button in the upper right corner to apply all your changes. Your collapsible row is now set up to display custom dynamic content for each product, making your store more professional and easier to manage. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.